Hello and welcome. So you're ready to hand in your paper, and there are a couple of steps to follow, and I thought I'd just record a video. The first thing, well, you have written your paper in the correct template, no? This is required, and you didn't write a paper that looks like the template, meaning that you have inserted some text and you have changed that text to look like eCAADE's title in Myriad 15 bold. This is something we don't want. The requirement is you have used the template, you have prepared the paper here, and every piece of your paper has a style associated with it. For example, this paragraph is of the style eCAADe paragraph first, the next is eCAADe paragraph, and so forth. So this is what you have done. And now, before you start uploading your paper, you should edit your submission. Why? Because the submission is, in fact, the metadata for your paper, and this metadata needs to match. So if you've had a different title previously, make sure that you have the current title in the metadata. I'm just pasting this now in. If you have title and subtitle, separate them via a colon. So preparing a paper for the eCAADe conference, double point, and then comes the subtitle. Also check that the author names and the order of authors is correct. So we have Gabriel, Wolfgang. Oh, I forgot something. Oh, I forgot the E. And the system will complain if you don't do that. So, and then also make sure that the keywords are the same as in the final paper. So I will just go and copy everything but the final point. There is no final point in OpenConf. Now it matches exactly, and also my abstract from here. I copy this, I paste this, and then I'm saving my changes. Now I'm ready. I can now upload my paper. To do this, I'm simply going to upload file. I'm entering my contribution number. And then I need a zip. Oh my gosh, what needs to go inside the zip? Let's see. Here is my files. I've got my paper as docx, the reply to comments as docx, and my paper as PDF. And now I will zip these together. Zip. Oh my gosh, now there is a zip. Paper zip. Okay, and now I'm pressing upload file. Let's see whether it complains. No, it doesn't. That's all. So what will it check? It will check if the metadata matches the paper, and it will also look a bit whether you have changed the page layout and so forth. And it will, if there is an error, you will see it on this page.